The controversy surrounding Donald Trump's use of Beyoncé's song, Freedom, in a recent campaign video has brought to light ongoing issues related to intellectual property rights and political campaign practices. This incident is not an isolated event but part of a broader pattern of disputes between political figures and musical artists over the unauthorized use of copyrighted material. Here's a comprehensive analysis of the situation. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to click on my notification bell for more updates. On August 20, 2024, Donald Trump's spokesperson, Stephen Chung, posted a video clip on social media showcasing Trump's arrival in Michigan. The video was notably edited to include Beyoncé's song, Freedom, which was a strategic move aimed at garnering attention and potentially making a provocative statement. However, this use of the song was controversial because Beyoncé had already granted exclusive rights to Kamala Harris, the Vice President of the United States and a prominent Democratic presidential candidate. Kamala Harris' campaign had received permission from Beyoncé to use Freedom shortly after Harris announced her candidacy. This song, from Beyoncé's 2016 album Lemonade, had become a significant emblem for Harris' campaign, symbolizing the themes of liberation and empowerment central to her platform. The timing and context of Beyoncé's endorsement lent Harris' campaign a notable cultural and symbolic boost. The use of Beyoncé's song by Trump's campaign is not an isolated incident but part of a larger pattern of unauthorized usage of music by political campaigns, particularly by the Trump campaign. This practice has led to several legal disputes with artists whose works were used without permission. One prominent example is the lawsuit involving Isaac Hayes' song, Hold On, I'm Coming. The estate of the late R&B legend Isaac Hayes filed a $3 million lawsuit against Trump's campaign, alleging that the song was used more than 100 times without proper authorization. The lawsuit was filed in Georgia federal court and also named the Republican National Committee (RNC) and the conservative group Turning Point USA as defendants. The Hayes estate's legal action seeks not only financial compensation but also a formal disclaimer stating that Isaac Hayes Enterprises did not authorize or endorse Trump's use of their property. The claim highlights the broader issue of how political campaigns sometimes disregard copyright laws and the rights of artists, leading to legal battles and public disputes. The use of copyrighted music without permission raises several legal and cultural issues. From a legal perspective, unauthorized use of music can result in significant financial penalties, as seen in the Hayes case. The lawsuit underscores the need for political campaigns to adhere to copyright laws and respect intellectual property rights. Culturally, the use of an artist's work in a political context can be highly sensitive. Music often carries strong emotional and ideological associations, and using a song without permission can be perceived as an attempt to co-opt or distort its intended message. In the case of Beyoncé's Freedom, the song's association with Kamala Harris' campaign makes Trump's use of it particularly contentious. It risks misrepresenting or undermining the song's original meaning and the endorsement it signifies. Public reactions to Trump's use of Beyoncé's song have been mixed but largely critical. Social media users and commentators quickly pointed out the inappropriateness of the move, noting that it seemed like an attempt to mimic or undermine Kamala Harris' campaign. For example, Anna Maltese, a notable commentator on X, formerly Twitter, highlighted the apparent attempt to copy Harris' strategy, questioning whether Beyoncé herself would approve of Trump's use of her music. In response to the controversy, TheRap reached out to Beyoncé's representatives for comment, but as of the latest updates, no official statement had been released. The lack of immediate response from Beyoncé's team suggests that the issue might be under consideration or that they prefer to address it through legal channels rather than public statements. The intersection of music and politics has a long and complex history. Musicians have often been involved in political movements, and their work has been used to support or criticize various causes. However, the use of music by political campaigns, especially without permission, can lead to significant disputes. Previous instances of conflict between musicians and political campaigns include Bruce Springsteen, who has publicly objected to the use of his songs by Trump's campaign. Such disputes highlight the ongoing tension between political messaging and artistic integrity. Musicians like Springsteen and the Hayes estate have been vocal about protecting their intellectual property and ensuring that their work is used in ways that align with their values and intentions. The use of Beyoncé's "Freedom" by Donald Trump's campaign, in light of the ongoing legal issues and cultural sensitivities, exemplifies the broader challenges associated with intellectual property rights in political contexts. It underscores the importance of respecting artists' rights and the potential consequences of using copyrighted material without proper authorization. The ongoing legal disputes, including the notable case involving Isaac Hayes, reflect a broader trend of friction between political campaigns and the creative industries. As this situation continues to develop, it will be crucial to monitor how it affects both legal precedents and the public's perception of political campaigns' ethical practices. Thanks for watching.